Do you know the impact videos can have on conversion rates? Right here are 10 little key facts on how properly executed video can increase this CRO. Conversion rate optimization involves making practical changes to your website based on understanding visitors' needs, behaviors, leading to increased actions like purchases or signups, while ensuring visitors feel satisfied and they feel valued. This is really important because many businesses struggle with converting website visitors into customers. This is due to a lack of understanding the visitor behavior and, let's face it, poor website design. With videos, you can easily boost that CRO, and increased CRO leads to increased leads, which leads to increased sales and thus increased growth. All right, we got number one here. Video grabs attention. All right, video content is like the magnet of the internet. It grabs attention faster than a cat video on a Monday morning. Videos can share emotions, tell a story, and keep viewers hooked like they're binge watching The Tiger King in the middle of a pandemic.
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
This means people are more likely to stick around, remember your message, and maybe even become your biggest fans. All right, number two, explains complex concepts easily. It's like a superhero. It makes everything look easy. Instead of making your audience read through pages and pages of confusing text, videos can give them a front row seat to a clear, entertaining explanation. It's like turning a rocket science lecture into a fun cartoon. And suddenly, everybody gets it. Number three, videos boost trust and credibility. So, by showing the real people behind your brand, no stock photo models. I hate stock photos, by the way. It's like you're having a friendly chat with your audience, making them feel like they know you personally. When people see that you're the real deal, they're more likely to trust you and stick around. Number four, enhances SEO, search engine optimization. All right. Videos can supercharge your SEO by keeping visitors glued to your site longer, like they've stumbled across a live stream of a snorkeler tearing a fishing net out of the mouth of a great whale off the coast of Mexico. I just saw it the other day, came up with an idea. Search engines love this, and they're going to reward you with higher rankings, making you easier to find. Plus, with the right keywords and the right tags, your videos can give your search visibility a little turbo boost. Number five, increased dwell time. Yes, I said dwell time, not well time. Again, think of binge watching. This behavior tells search engines your content is worth sticking around for, boosting your rankings, and the longer visitors stay, the more likely they are to browse your site and to take action. Speaking of dwell time, stick around until the end of this video because I will be giving you the option to choose from 2 more videos you're gonna find really interesting and helpful for your B2B and B2C. But we're not done yet, so let's go on to number 6 here. Improves mobile experience. Here is my mobile phone. Videos do this by giving viewers the info they need without making them scroll endlessly, because who has the time for that on a tiny little screen? The video is a bite-sized snack of entertainment and information that fit perfectly into your pocket. Why don't we have pockets anymore? This keeps your visitors entertained and more likely to stick around and take action, maybe even before the phone battery dies. This is still morning here and my battery is down to 70%. I don't know, I need a new phone. All right, number 7, personalizes communication. They do this by letting you talk directly to the audience, just like I'm doing now. Like you're having a cozy little chat over coffee. I don't drink coffee, I drink water in the morning, but this approach makes viewers feel valued and understood, kind of like getting a warm hug also. Who doesn't like a good hug? When they feel this connection, they're more likely to stick around and engage with you. Number 8, encourages social sharing. Like a social media magnet. This gets shared all over the place, helping you reach more people and helping you reach and attract new potential customers. I like new potential customers. Who doesn't? So when viewers find your videos entertaining and useful, they can't wait to share them with their friends, spreading your brand like wildfire. And this viral effect can skyrocket your visibility and bring in a flood of new customers. Oh, we love new customers, don't we? Number 9, clear call to action. Right. Getting viewers on what to do next. This is your GPS of your website. It's basically a GPS. This makes your instructions more compelling and effective, turning your audiences maybe into a confident, hey, let's do this. By showing them the way with a smile, you'll boost conversions and you're gonna hit your targets. And number 10, analytics and insights. With these insights, you can tweak your content like a master chef perfecting a recipe, constantly improving for better results. It's like having a crystal ball for your videos, except way more practical and a lot less mysterious. There's tons of videos online about YouTube analytics, and I highly encourage you, whether using Vimeo or YouTube or all the other video posting areas, there's analytics that help you understand what's working, what's not. All right, there you have it. 10 reasons why videos boost conversion rates, optimization by gauging visitors, simplifying complex ideas, building trust, and effectively connecting with your audience, and staying competitive. Because let's face it, if you're not, your competitors will be. All right, help this channel grow by clicking the like button and subscribing, so you will, this little big button that says 2 clicks on there, so you'll get an alert for my next weekly video post here on YouTube. And as I promised, I have 2 more videos for you to watch that will enhance your B2B and B2C experience, and I'll see you in the next video.